Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the best HyperShift setup for productivity on your RAZER Viper V4 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to your mouse. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over and reset the profile. First, what are we gonna do is we're gonna set up the HyperShift. So it really depends on us. What are we gonna do with it? I will use the mouse button for it. You guys can use every single button right here, totally up to you. Here, instead of the default, go to RAZER HyperShift, click save, and now it is saved. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna click HyperShift, and here we can use 7 more buttons. So what we can do for an example is we can set up the left click to go over and launch a program. So here we can choose a program. So as you guys can see, let me go to the desktop. Now I'm gonna click on the Chrome. So it's gonna go over and enable the Google Chrome. Also, what we can do is whenever we click on a right click, it goes over to AI Launcher, and here select the either AI Prompt Master or simply AI Chat. You guys can choose between ChatGPT or Copilot. Not a great option here, so I would prefer Claude right here or anything else. ChatGPT is also good, so we're gonna keep it. And now the scroll up, we can go over and record a key. So as you guys can see, we're gonna click to record and we're gonna put it at the page up. Now we're gonna save it, and here we're gonna put the page down. So let's go over, record a key. You guys can also change it to alphanumeric, function, numpad, navigation, modifiers, and symbols, but I am going to use it as a page up and down. Now we can cycle up sensitivity stages, but as you guys can see, this button is at the bottom right here on this side. So it might be very hard to use, but we're still gonna give it some meaning. If we want to use a browser, here we can use the website that we are actually going to visit. So I'll put the arena.ai, and as you guys can see, whenever we go over, click this button right here for our HyperShift and click here, we should see the arena AI popping up. So it is working. Now what are we gonna do next is we still have the scroll click and mouse button. This is the best setup for AI usage if you're productive with it and you actually need to get somewhere. Here, what you guys can do is go over and simply go over and go to keyboard function. Here, you guys can either select one key or you guys can go to macro, and here with the macros, what you guys can do is go over to the macro. Here, you create a new one, and now you can record it. So for example, you want a fast switch, so you want to Alt+Tab, so you click Alt+Tab, and as you guys can see, let's click stop, and this is our recording. So now let's click save, and now it is saved as macro free. So we can go over here, we can go to macro and click macro free. Now as you guys can see, whenever we press the HyperShift and this, it's going to the Alt+Tab. So this is very good. And the last button, what we can use it on is something for the mouse function. So this is very good. I would recommend using it as a mouse button 5. So if you still need to get out of the site, then you click the mouse button 5, but you will click the scroll click since it's bound to the HyperShift. Now you guys can enable the turbo, but I'm not gonna enable it. Now let's click save, and we got the whole HyperShift setup done. This is the best setup. As you guys can see, whenever we click on the left mouse button, we open up a Google Chrome. Now when we click the right button, we are opening ChatGPT, and now whenever we scroll up or down, it's a page up, page down, but it does not work here. So let's run our browser. Let's type in Google. So whenever we go to the normal search, and now as you guys can see, we can go over here. It works the same as the scroll button a little bit slower so you can actually read something. I am holding the button. And now, what else can we do? We can open up the Arena AI. So let me quickly pull up the browser again. Now pressing the HyperShift and pressing this button, we are opening up the Arena. Oh, I misclicked. Here we got the Arena. And what else do we have here? We also got our Alt+Tab. So we just press it. And as you guys can see, it's switching. So I'm holding those two buttons. And it's switching up perfectly fine. Now, the last one is the mouse button 5. So it won't actually work here. But we can go over and press it here. It also won't do nothing, but as you guys can see, whenever we will go to the tests or something, it'll work perfectly fine. And that's basically the best HyperShift setup for productivity. So whenever you need to get somewhere, you need to use AI for a quick moment, you can simply just press two buttons. Now you're already in ChatGPT. You guys can easily type in something, you'll get a quick answer, and that's how it works. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.